Imagine you've just discovered a magical money tree, a place where your funds grow faster than a weed in a garden. What if I told you that tree exists, and it's called Vivid? But before you start dancing with joy, you might be wondering, how do I actually plant my seeds in this magical tree? That's what we're here to answer today. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Vivid and discover how to add your hard-earned cash to this financial wonderland. Understanding Vivid. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Vivid is. It's a financial app that offers a variety of features, including savings accounts, budgeting tools, and even investment options. Think of it as your personal financial assistant, always there to help you manage your money more effectively. Methods of adding money. Now, let's get to the main event, how to add money to your Vivid account. There are a few different ways to do this, so let's explore them one by one. Direct bank transfer. This is the most common method. Simply log into your online banking, select Transfer Funds, and choose Vivid as the recipient. You'll need to provide Vivid's account details, which you can find within the app itself. Tip: double-check the account details before confirming the transfer to avoid any mistakes. Cardless ATM deposits. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can use Vivid's cardless ATM deposit feature. Simply open the app, select the deposit option, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be provided with a QR code that you can scan at a participating ATM. Then, deposit your cash into the ATM, and the funds will be transferred directly to your Vivid account. Note: this feature is available at selected ATMs, so check the app for participating locations. Third-party payments. In some cases, you might be able to add money to your Vivid account using third-party payment methods like PayPal or Apple Pay. This option may vary depending on your region and the specific payment methods supported by Vivid. Tip: check the app or Vivid's website for the latest information on supported payment methods. Security and safety. Now that you know how to add money to Vivid, it's important to prioritize security. Vivid uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. Additionally, you can enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of security. Adding money to your Vivid account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. Whether you prefer the convenience of direct bank transfers, the hands-on approach of cardless ATM deposits, or the flexibility of third-party payments, there's a method that suits your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the magical world of Vivid and watch your money grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving and investing with Vivid.